In the garden, bright and sunny, I played alone so full of honey. Then came waddling just for fun a little duck, and that makes one. By the pond so cool and blue, I saw a duck, then there were two. They splashed and swam and quacked with glee. Come play, come play, come play with me. In the woods so green and free, another duck came next to me. She wore a crown and loved the tree. Now little ducks, I count three. Near the flowers soft and more, I heard a tiny quack and saw before a shy duck hiding by the door. She joined our group, and now it's four. Under the rainbow bright and wide, a fluffy duck came with a slide. He giggled loud and stood with pride. We cheered and clapped, now ducks are five.
Rosie Rabbit, small and bright, always chose to do what's right. She helped her friends, she cleaned the floor, she shared her toys and gave much more. She told the truth, she said it, I care. She always chose to be fair with gentle words and kind delight. She filled the world with bunny light.
Just for you, flowers smile in morning light, butterflies dance in happy flight. Let's enjoy this lovely day.
Don't be sad or lazy all the time. Anger only makes you lose your shine. Sluggish ways lead to failure's track. Unsuccessful kids just hold themselves back. Stay happy, let your heart be light. Work hard with all your might. Success comes to those who smile and push forward mile by mile. Cheerful kids with effort grow. Happiness and work make victory glow.
A friend is someone who stays by your side, laughs with you and joins you for the ride. Respect your friend with love so true. A friend's heart is precious, always be kind to. When times are tough, hold their hand tight. Help them through, make their world bright. Stand together through every storm. With a friend, no trouble feels too warm. Don't make fun, don't hurt their heart. Speak with love, never tear apart. Care for their dreams, their smiles, their cheer. A true friend's love is always near. So let's promise with heart